morning. Today I am here to tell you about the technique of, or the style of working at the integrated wellness clinic. In today's COVID-demic times, all of us are, not wanting to move out, but at the same time, if we are wanting consultation with 3 or 4 different doctors, either we have to visit them personally, which also is very tough, or we have to take individual video consultations, which involves lot of time and effort, and it happens during different parts of the day or during different days. But at the integrated wellness clinic, for the ease and the to help our patients, what we have built is an integrated combined approach where we form a WhatsApp group. As soon as the patient consults us, contacts us, we begin the integrated approach right then. A WhatsApp group is formed so that the patient can contact all the 3 or 4 doctors together, and we are all in tune with each other. The minute the group is formed, we change the strategy from me to we. Now it is the we approach, and the patient is under the care of all the 3 specialist doctors, and he or she can write all his complaints in detail at the WhatsApp group, and we can read whenever we have time. At a fixed appointed time, we give him the video consultation, which is also all the 3 doctors at one time, saves lot of time, energy and effort. And then when the patient disconnects the call, we 3 doctors will continue the call, and we discuss the patient, and we develop a strategy which is best suited according to his disease, his stage of disease, and his temperament, the practical issues, what he wants, whether he is able to adopt to lifestyle changes, the diet, the investigation, whether it is practical to get them done right away or we should hold them. All the aspects, social, financial and medical, and all the aspects of the patients are discussed, and a most practical, easy to adopt strategy is adopted, and hence the patient is in tune with the doctors are in tune with each other. If you are wanting to be cared in this manner, and if you want to experience the joy or the bliss of being under 3 specialist doctors at one point in time, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. Jai Hind.